To configure and control the devices, we have a software called Ecler HADA DSP Manager. This software runs on Windows and can be downloaded from Ecler website. This is the first window you will find when you open the software. In the first menu called File, you will find the usual options to manage a project. In the second menu called Tools, you can select the first option, Change Software Password, to define a password for accessing to the software. You can also create groups of devices to control several units at the same time. There are several languages available: English, Spanish and German. You can also change the resolution mode selecting Use High DPI Display. You can select Enter Demo Mode to include some demo devices in your projects. All the features are not available in the demo devices, so they have some limitations. Enable Update option allows you to make a firmware update of the devices directly from this window. The valid password to allow this option will be the administrator password, which is admin by default. The last two options refer to the background of this window, allowing you to insert a logo or a map, for example. In the Help menu you will find two options. Request Support. That will open the tech support form in your default browser. And About will show up a window with the information about your software version. In the menu, Window, you will not see many options unless you have some devices in your project. When you have several units, it might be useful the Window menu to manage all the windows the software can open. Open a unit to configure, clicking on the green arrow. The first window you will see is the main control window of the corresponding unit in User mode. This mode is limited to some actions. At the top of this window you will find the Configuration window bar, and you will be able to change the mode. Go to the next chapter to learn more about this window and the different working modes.